everyone, welcome. I'm Phyllis, and I just wanted you to come with me today. We're going to make salsa. Who doesn't love salsa? If you're having a barbecue, you're going to somebody's house, take some chips and salsa, let everybody have some nibbles before the meal comes out, or before the barbecue is done, or before the grilling is finished. So come with me today and let's make some salsa. Guys, I just took a bite of this. And I had to bring you over to show you this. I want to tell you what I just did. Guys, this is so simple. So totally amazing. I took 2 cans, 14.5 ounce cans, 2 of them from Kroger, whole tomatoes. I think they were 95 cents a can, 14.5 ounces. These are peeled, whole peeled tomatoes. Dumped them in here. Squeeze 1 lime, the juice in there, okay? Then salt, 1 teaspoon, pepper, 1 teaspoon, 1/3 a cup of sugar, just to cut the acidity of the tomatoes that are in here. 4 cloves of minced chopped up garlic. Also, I cut up 1/4 of a red pepper chopped up, 1/4 of a green pepper chopped up, 1/4 of a red onion chopped up. I was going to put cilantro in, but I did not because a lot of people don't like it. I love it personally, but a lot of people don't enjoy it. The other thing I put in, let me think, I've got everything. Yes, I did not put any powdered garlic because I had the garlic cloves. Put it in here. I put my top on after I got it all in, and I kind of put it on the pulse. And I pulsed it until I got it to the thickness that I liked. That would stay on the chip when you actually dip it. You don't want it like water where it's runny. If you do get it too watery or too wet for yourself, you can buy 1 can of tomato paste. Take a tablespoon of your tomato paste and drop it in and pulse it till you get it to your thickness that you like. If it's still too thin after 1 pulse, put another tablespoon in of your tomato paste. After you get it, you're going for 2 things: taste and the ability to kind of stay on the chip or the Tostito, whatever you're doing, eating it with. So you're going after 2 things. So you want to make sure and taste it, of course, and then see how thick. Don't have it like water. Have it a little thicker than water. And of course, guys, you gotta taste it. You gotta make it. This is better than any salsa I have ever bought. I'm sorry, you salsa makers, but this is even better than my Mexican restaurant. Yeah, buddy, I may have to, I may have to bottle this and sell it. But try this. Just what I told you. It's in the description box. Try it. See if you like it. I'm going to squeeze a little more lime. Ooh, wait, I don't know how it could be any better, but I love lime, so I'm going to just squeeze that in. Guys, oh my goodness. Let's pulse that around. Get you some. I think the tomatoes, the cans of tomatoes I got, I think they were 95 cents at the grocer. All right, there you go. So easy. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for Alan to try this. He's not going to believe it. I'm going to pour it. It's about, I think it's a little over a quart. This recipe makes a little over a quart because, you know, these were 14.5 ounces, each one of these. I did not add any other liquid, just my green pepper, my red pepper, salt, pepper, spices like that. I did put pepper. So anyway, this was so much fun today to make my own salsa and for it to come out so good. I'm so excited. I've made salsa before, but usually I was in a hurry and I was trying to get it done. And, you know, I really didn't think about how I want the texture of it and how I want the taste of it. Now, that being said, you make it yours. Now, I know you will want to put some jalapeno juice and some diced. Well, this might dice your jalapenos. Take your seeds out, though, if you want to, and put your jalapenos in there. You can add cumin. I did not add cumin to mine. That's not a spice I really love. But make it your own. Make it your own, guys. That's the beauty of this. You don't have to go to the store and pay $7 for a jar of salsa that you don't even like. You're just pouring it out so somebody can eat it. So make your own salsa and enjoy it. I love you guys, and if you've enjoyed my video, please press the thumbs up, give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, Hazelwood Homestead, Phyllis Hazelwood, that's me, Phyllis, please subscribe. I started my channel a year ago in June. June will be my 1-year anniversary of my show. And I've had so much fun with it. I've enjoyed it so much. Everybody's been super nice, super complimentary. And to all of you who come up to me and say something to me about my show, I appreciate that so much. And Susan and Kathy and Deborah, you all know who you are. And thank y'all so much for your kindness. And Karen, you and your mom, I mean, y'all are just fantastic people, and I just appreciate y'all so much. Make this salsa this summer. People will say, what kind of salsa is that, and where do I buy that? And you'll be like, well, you can't buy it, but you can make it. So then you can give them the recipe. So let's get it passed forward, and let's have a good time this summer out with our parties outside and our get-togethers with our family and friends. And let's serve this good salsa. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.